Okay, students, I hope your quiz went well and that you got to know me a little bit. What I'm going to do right now is run through your instructions for your Bitmoji locker creation. And this is not difficult. For this, you will need to go to your, of course, Google Classroom. And yours looks just like this. You're going to go to the Social Studies folder, and you're going to go to Classwork. You've already been here today since you've taken this practice quiz. Your assignment here for the Bitmoji is right here. And this is really simple. All you do is open this, as I've just done here, and it has a virtual locker, a locker that's kind of electronic. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, and you're going to make a copy of this. And of course, since there's only one slide, you're going to do the entire presentation. And just, if you want to do a copy of Student Virtual Locker, or if you want to put your name, really don't care, it doesn't matter. Then you just push OK. Now it's at this point where you can begin to put things into your locker. And I'll show you my locker here. So this is one that I've started. I, of course, made a copy of it. And I began to find images that I want to copy and paste from the internet that best represent me. So in this column here, I see 10 or 11 hints for you, things that you can find pictures of to put into your locker. Now, of course, your locker is pretty small. So if your images or things that you find happen to spill outside of the locker, it's okay. Think of this as your space right here to decorate. So in order to find a picture that you like, first of all, you need to have something in mind. So I'm going to pick this one right here, a hobby that I enjoy. So to insert a picture, you just go up here to Insert, go to Image, so Insert, Image, and then go ahead and search the web. This is the fastest and easiest way. So my hobby that I'm interested in is canoeing. So I'm just going to put down canoe, and you'll see it puts some hints right up there almost immediately for me. So I'm going to click canoeing. Now, this isn't exactly the type of canoeing that I do. This is more like kayaking. Here we go. This is a little bit better. This looks like canoeing. So if I like this, I'm going to select it. And I'll know that because of the blue checked arrow. I insert it. And then it's going to come onto my virtual locker. And most oftentimes it's going to be this large monstrosity. Well, all you have to do is grab the corner up here of the image and resize it to the appropriate size that you would like. And then what you can do is then, of course, place it in your locker just like that. Okay. Moving on, maybe you want to do your favorite sport or your team. I'll do another example. Go up to Insert, Image, oh, Image, and then search the web. And my favorite team to watch is the New York Rangers. And so I click on that. And it gives me all sorts of stuff. It gives me old pictures. It gives me a logo. It gives me game action. Pick whatever you want. It's your world. So I'm going to pick this rather cool logo. I'm going to click on it once. I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to insert it. And like I said earlier, the image is most often large. So I'm just going to resize it to something that will fit into my locker. And then I'll just stick it in a place where I think would be a good spot. Doesn't have to be straight. You can turn it. Whatever you want to do. Okay, it's your world. When you're done with this, then of course in your Google and your classroom, you're going to turn it in. And because I don't have a copy of what you see, you guys should be able to figure out right up here, based on what I can remember, is up here in the upper right hand corner when you're done with this locker, there will be a button up here that says Turn In. You'll simply click on that button and it will automatically take the file from your drive and put it into Google Classroom. The fear is, or the catch, is that once you turn it in, that's it. You can't go back and edit it. So maybe turn it in, you didn't like it, you want to do it again. You just have to email me, I'll delete it, and then you can redo the process. So good luck. I'm looking forward to see what you turn in.